cleaning bathroom power outlets is necessary because dust and germs accumulate on and around them, and they remain occasional touch points that affect sanitation and appearance. Bathroom outlets collect moisture, dust, skin oils, and aerosolized particles from showers, which together create a surface that can harbor bacteria and mold. Use a damp, not wet disinfectant cloth to wipe the faceplate and immediately dry it with a clean microfiber or lint-free cloth so moisture does not enter the socket. Remove the cover only if you are comfortable and have turned off the circuit at the breaker, and use a dry, soft brush or canned compressed air to clear dust from the interior recesses, and then replace the cover with a snug fit to minimize future buildup. For routine maintenance schedule outlet wiping during your regular high-touch cleaning cadence, typically every 2 to 4 weeks in a bathroom, and increase frequency after renovations or if you notice discoloration or a musty odor. If an outlet shows signs of corrosion, brown or black discoloration, sparking, or warm faceplates, stop using it and call a licensed electrician because those are signs of internal damage that cleaning cannot fix. Avoid spraying cleaners directly into or toward the socket. Always apply the disinfectant to the cloth first, and keep liquids away from any openings to prevent short circuits and corrosion. For off-white or plastic faceplates that have yellowed, remove grime with a baking soda paste applied with a soft cloth. Rinse the cloth thoroughly so it is only slightly damp and dry immediately, and consider replacing heavily stained plates to restore appearance and ensure a proper seal. Common mistakes include using excessive liquid that seeps into the socket, which can cause short circuits and corrosion. Prevent this by wringing the cloth until it is damp and drying immediately. Another mistake is neglecting to turn off power when removing covers for deeper cleaning. Always switch off the circuit at the breaker and verify power is off with a non-contact voltage tester or by plugging a small lamp into a nearby outlet to confirm it is dark if you do not have one. A third issue is ignoring signs of electrical damage like discoloration or warmth, which people sometimes treat with more cleaning. If you see those signs, stop cleaning and contact a licensed electrician because cleaning will not repair internal faults. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work related to bathroom maintenance and repairs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share recommendations that make it easier to keep outlets safe and clean.